Hi, Larry the Pen Bug Guy here. Welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen. Well, today I'll be doing some videos off and on all during the day. I've been working in the pen room most of the morning, writing pen pal letters, straightening out, organizing my pen room, and organizing my thoughts on how I'm going to do different presentations on different pens. And I'll be doing some other opening of my boxes that came in, and this is from Pen Chalet, and this came in a few days ago this week. I'm just now getting around to opening the box, so here we go. We're going to open Pen Chalet's box. For those of you that are new to my channel or new to the fountain pen world, Pen Chalet has been around for quite a while. They're an online store, and they're really good in prices and shipping their products, whatever you order, to you. And here's what they look like when they come in the box, just like you see it here. And this top card is a 10% off your next order. You know, every little bit helps, right? 10% is better than no percent. And Pen Chalet is good about that. And so here's my first order of the day that came in. And it comes in this cardboard box. Your standard cardboard box. I mean, it's nice looking with the logo on top. As you open it, then you see what's in it. That magnificent Pilot Vanishing Point, which they call the Star Wars Stormtrooper. Can you dig it? There it is. So we'll open it up. I'm not going to do a writing sample, just showing you the pen. And on the tag, Capitalist Medium from Japan. It's a click, which I really like. And the nib is a dark black nib. 18K gold nib, but it's colored black. And it comes with a ink converter, which I do like. Or you can use the Pilot cartridges. So, I'll be doing a presentation with this pen shortly. And what's under the box? All kinds of goodies. You find your Pilot user and care card in there. And it comes with an ink cartridge. And this goes on top of the cartridge to help protect and use the ink cartridge better. I've used it from time to time. So, that's it on this pen opening box. And let's see what else is in the box. We'll put that all aside, because there's more. Can we get a good look at that? See how well it's packaged? So, here it is. And I think that's going to be all, but it's really well packed. So, all your precious items you order are well packed from Pen Chalet. And here it is, Robert Oyster, Soda Pop Blue. One of my favorite all-time blues, Soda Pop Blue. And how I do it, before I buy an ink bottle, I buy samples. Sometimes I buy 2, 3, or 4, or 5. Sometimes I connect, sometimes I don't. But I'll go back to that sample and I'll revisit it again to see if I am going to connect. And if I do, I buy a bottle. Now, I may not connect. I may try it 6 months later and then I connect, or sometimes I just don't feel it. And up here, you can see I have bottles of ink. Now, before I started doing the samples, I went ahead and bought bottles of ink. But, you know, I do like the majority of the bottles of ink that I have up here. and I do use them. So I'm starting to dwindle down on my samples, if you can see those, because now I'm starting to buy the bottle of ink. Now I'm not going to buy every bottle of ink that's in the samples, no. I'm going to try to hold myself and just buy certain ones. But right now I'm into the Robert Oster inks. They really are a magnificent bottle of ink. So I paid for all this. It wasn't given to me, so no one's paying me to say it. And even if somebody sends me pen, ink, whatever, I'm still going to do an honest review. That I can guarantee you on it, because there's no way that I will ever mislead any of you guys. You know, I've worked too hard to get where I'm at today, and you spend a lot of your time with me, so it works both ways. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation of the opening of the Pen Chalet box today, and a presentation will soon follow. Thank you much. Have a great day. Oh, before we go away, this pen, the Sheaffer pen, I've already got that, and I need to get the Darth Vader pen and the Sheaffer Yoda. So I got these two, and all I need is my Darth Vader, and then I'll be ready to go with my presentation. That's a big hint. Talk to you later. Peace. Thanks for watching. Hello, everybody. Larry's Fountain Pen here, and I'm Larry, the pen bug guy. And have you met my buddy? I need to bring him over here. Let you check him out. That's Mr. Minion. Mr. Announcer, you remember his name?
I don't remember which one that is.
We'll just call him Stuart, okay? He rocks, don't he? Wow, he kicked it that time. All right. That's the Minion. La la. So anyway, hope that kind of lifts you up and brightens up your day if you're having a downer day. So, let's pump it up. Let's get with it, and let's get off your tail and do some rocking. It's open box time. Open, 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 open. I wasn't doing this anymore because I stopped. But then people started emailing me, not just 2, 3, or 4. I've had several. Say, Larry, why don't you bring back opening of the boxes again? We really enjoyed it. Well, here it is. Now, this box comes from Jim Evers from the iPen store. Now, the iPen store, I bought this off eBay because I needed it for real bad because I was about out. And I used to be with the iPen store. They have a little club thing you join, and every month you get something. And if whatever it is, it could be a pen, ink sample, have a lot of little goodies in a box. So, but I had to cut that out because, you know, I saved up for my pen, so I couldn't do both. So I had to let it go. But anyway, here's what it is, and let's open it up. And what do you think it is? A hint, I do a lot of writing, and what's my favorite paper? That's hint 2, so it comes very well protected with a bubble wrap. La-la. Hey, la-la. Oh. Okay. Anyway, we better open this little jewel up. And here it is. That's how I roll. My #1 paper of choice is Tomoe River paper. That's what I do when I write my letters. Okay? And I also do some ink tests on it and stuff. So, and my second paper I like is light paper. You know, I do use, when I have it, Rhodia paper. I do use the Uber notebooks a lot. You know, Rhodia. I use the dot grid. And I use the line paper. But, you know, I do my own thing. Whatever I feel like doing, I'll use, and I'll do it. So, there you have it. Here's the Tomoe River paper. It's the white color. And I believe this has, 100 sheets. And it's what I really, really like. Is it expensive? I think it's worth the money. I don't know that this was $19, $20. But, is it affordable for this quality of paper? I think so. You know, even if it was $22, I think it's affordable. Because I just like the thin smoothness of the paper and how well it works with fountain pens. Even fountain pens that I have that really can lay down the ink. I like how it keeps that color of the ink together, and it just works together. All right, that's going to wrap it up. Tell me, what's your favorite paper? Do you have a favorite? I even use, for what it's worth, your regular notebook paper. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's whatever you can afford. It's whatever you like. Remember, it's not whatever anybody really likes. It's about what the individual likes. And this is what I like. So, yeah, but I do use from time to time regular notebook paper. And there's nothing wrong with it. I know some people that detest notebook paper. I've gotten letters saying that how they dislike notebook paper. Well, oh well, to each their own, right? Peace, love, rock and roll. Talk to you guys later. Have a great one.